Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix registry errors on your Windows. So let's go quick into the process. This is just a very simple resolution for this. So in the Windows search bar, what you can do, you need to type here CMD, which stands for command prompt. Then you have to click on run as administrator here in the right pane. Then this black window will appear. So what you can do, you just need to simply type here as sub c space / scan now. So this is the system file checker scan. This will scan for and repair any system corrupt files. This will also check for any integrity violations. So this is a very helpful fix. So once you have typed the same thing as what I have done, simply hit enter. Now this process will take some time. This will start from 1% and this will goes up to 100%. So what you can do from here is you just need to simply wait for this until the verification process has been completed. And then here's the thing, do not close out of this window unless it is completed. So you have to wait for this until it is fully completed. And then right after it is completed, just simply close this. Then in the Windows search bar again, type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Then here you have to simply type this command, DISM space / online space / cleanup dash image space / restore health. It's DISM space / online space / cleanup hyphen or dash image space / restore health. Then you have to simply hit the enter button. Now this process will also take some time depending on your Windows. Let's wait in a while so the process will begin. Okay, so the process is now beginning. Now, in your case, this is different in all Windows, like depending on the duration of the process. There is no specific time for the duration of the process, but what you can do is you just need to simply wait for this until it goes up to 100%. And also, if your progress is stuck, like it is stuck in a certain or specific percentage, then I suggest that you just need to simply press the space key on your keyboard until it continues the process or the scan. So as you can see, it has been stuck to 3.8, but then I just continuously press the space key on my keyboard, and then now the process is continuing. So you just have to wait for this to be completed, and once done, just simply close out of here and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. The next method, click on the start button, go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on system. Then you have to simply scroll down and click on recovery. Here you'll find recovery option, reset this PC. Click on reset PC. Then here you need to choose remove everything, but here's the thing, you need to back up everything, all your files, your data, everything. Then click on it. Then you have to click on cloud download. So once you click on cloud download, then you just have to simply restart, or your Windows will restart. So what you can do in here is you just need to simply back up. Make sure of that. Do not forget that. So once your PC will be restarted, then your problem will be fixed. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.